In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move from Wrike to Jira, a process that may seem a bit daunting at first, but with a little guidance, can be a smooth transition. Let's dive right in and go over the steps, ensuring by the end of this video, you feel confident making the switch. First, you'll want to head over to Wrike, where you likely have all your projects and tasks set up. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is locate your profile. This is typically situated in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on your profile will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, navigate to the option that says Apps and Integrations. This section is crucial as it allows you to connect Wrike with various external applications and services, which is exactly what we need to do. Now, in the Apps and Integrations area, you want to focus on finding the Wrike Sync integration. This is a powerful tool that enables you to sync your work across platforms. So click on Wrike Sync to open up further options. Here you'll need to specifically look for the integration with Jira. The good news is that it's fairly straightforward. You can either scroll through the list or, to save time, simply use the search bar at the top of the page. Just type in Jira and voila, it should pop right up. Once you've located Jira within the sync options, you'll want to establish a connection between the two platforms. It's worth noting that Wrike and Jira offer complementary functionalities, with Wrike excelling in task management and Jira for more complex project management needs. So, connecting them can create a powerful workflow automation that reduces manual efforts and enhances productivity. While syncing, you might be prompted for credentials or an API key to authorize the integration. Make sure you have your Jira login details handy to enable a smooth authorization process. If you're concerned about data security, rest assured that both platforms maintain high standards of data protection to safeguard your information during this transition. And there you have it. With these steps, you're set up to move from Wrike to Jira. Remember, changing platforms can initially feel challenging, but once you get everything synced and start navigating through Jira, you'll find a vast array of project management tools at your disposal. Should you need to return to this video for a refresher, feel free to pause and rewind as needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy managing your projects in Jira.